underfloor heating products, powered with EHP, a registered nanoparticle technology, maximize the performance of heat pump systems. In this way, they reduce energy consumption by up to 50.2%. These products, such as radiators, underfloor heating, and wall heating, which bring innovation to the heating sector, enable the heat pump to operate more efficiently while consuming less energy. Our products heat up faster and cool down slower, thus requiring the heat pump to operate less. Our solutions work in perfect integration with heat pumps, revolutionizing comfort, efficiency, and sustainability. Powered by EHP technology, these products provide unmatched reliability in every cycle, making them an ideal choice for energy-conscious consumers and developers.